College students will soon have a new option when it comes to living quarters in Panama City. Florida State University Panama City's new residence halls are getting ready to welcome students to its campus. The school hopes to fill all 380 beds by the grand opening in August. News 13's Emily McLeod is live in our studios tonight. And Emily, Gulf Coast State College students also invited to live there.
Amy, despite the name Seminole Landing, Commodores will be able to live there too. As the fall semester approaches, half of the beds have been filled at the new residence hall, and university officials say preventing the spread of COVID-19 is one of their top priorities. Florida State University Panama City will literally welcome home students for the first time this fall semester.
And this is a very unique project, first-time housing for Florida State University Panama City and first-time housing for Gulf Coast State College.
As of Wednesday, half of the 380 beds at Seminole Landing have been filled ahead of the 2021-2022 school year. Associate Dean of Student and Strategic Initiatives, Dr. Irvin Clark, says they expect that number to continue to increase.
And so we're very optimistic that we'll have all 380 beds filled.
The residence hall is a private-public partnership, which means a private developer funded the project, and FSU PC has a hand in the policies that will be put in place in the new facility. Clark says the university and the developer have worked well together over the course of the project.
They come on to college campuses not to tell you how to do it, but to actually work with you collaboratively to make sure that there is the appropriate blend of their procedures and process, and they align well with the university's procedures, processes, and our interest to provide the best residential living learning experience that we can for our students.
As for protecting students who live in the hall from COVID-19, Clark says they will continue to listen to CDC guidelines and make any changes that are necessary between now and August.
And the last thing that we would want was for this new residential facility to be ground zero for the spread of COVID-19.
Dr. Clark says they want to encourage all of their students and staff to get the coronavirus vaccine, but as of right now, they will not require residents to get vaccinated in order to live at Seminole Landing. Amy?
Thanks, Emily.